Quick intro to our new duty mag carriers. If you have a duty belt, you should run DMC. Don't sue me. So on the back of the carrier, we've molded it in. We have 2 arc slots and 1 hole. So on the back of each carrier, when your link EQ is fully attached, you get 3 points of attachment. You can loosen, but not remove, all 3 and swivel the carrier to have forward or reverse cant. Retention is accomplished with these 2 screws, which share a double post in the back, which means you don't have a screw post that can free spin on the back, so they're easy to adjust from the front. And as always, on all of our gear, we recommend, but especially on duty gear, lock tight every single screw on this thing. Once you've got the configuration you want, put Vibratight VC3 on every fastener. And for that reason, we're including a little 1 mil pouch of VC3 with every duty mag carrier. So you see on the back, 2 arc slots, 1 center hole. Interesting design feature. We have actually tapered, angled the face of those mounting points. So in relation to your body, it tips the bottom slightly out and the top slightly in. These duty mag carriers are designed around full-size mags or full-size mags with extensions, +2s, +3, +5, etc. Because if you're carrying around reloads and you end up needing that reload, you want as much reload as you can possibly get. And fitting in the grip flush is not an issue at that point. So we wanted to have a nice deep mag carrier that offers plenty of contact surface, 2 retention screws, so you've got backup hardware redundancy in case of any kind of failure, but you can also really crank it down and have that lock onto your mags super tight. But those tall mags, especially once you add extensions, they tend to tip away from your body because they get top heavy. So we've done 2 things to address that. The first is this sits a little lower in relation to the belt than many other mag carriers of this style. Because we can add a significant amount of angle, it actually brings the bottom of the mag carrier up out of the way, so you can carry a full-size mag with an extension on your belt. The slightly lower ride height combined with the degree of cant gives you a comfortable configuration where you can sit down in a patrol car, you can have on your soft or hard armor, and not have a vertical mag digging into you when you sit. But we want the top of that mag to not lean out too far, because things that lean out away from your body catch on seat belts, catch on rifle slings, catch on random stuff, and then your gear ends up on the ground. So we have that back angle built in. Other features, this is adjustable for belt size. If you see on this assembled one, there are 4 different holes. This fits 1.5 up to 2.5 inch belts. To change belt size, you would simply open the carrier up, take the screw posts and rubber spacers that are in these 2 holes and move them up or down. Depending on the adjustment and the angle you're set at, you may need to loosen these 3 screws to have room to get the screw post out and move it to a different hole for the belt adjustment. But once you put it around a belt, you rest the belt on top of those rubber washers, fold the carrier down, put your screws in, tighten them, and the rubber washers expand sideways and lock onto the belt and pull out all the slack. So the top of the fold pulls down tight. As these washers widen this way, they pull the top of this fold down tight on the belt. And we have these slots cut, and that gives us a little bit of extra texture and grip on the inside face of the carrier, which means once you're snugged down, this really grips and the entire Link EQ system does not slide around on your belt. So a lot of details there. We are really excited. This has been a project on my development list, working on gradually a bit at a time for about 2 years. And we finally made the push to get it to market. And we are really excited to see, because there aren't a lot of great options that offer a lot of angle adjustment, that really take out the slack on the belt and won't shift around on you, offer a robust dual screw retention system, and are available in standard uniform colors. So it's on sale all of November. It's available now. Check out the new Duty Mag Carrier with the Link EQ belt attachment. Thanks.